Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn and you will enter here. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about LinkedIn, and if you will find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.